Kechi, leave me. Leave my... what will you do? What will you do? You think you're the only one who knows how to ask? Keep prancing. She's asking me what Keep prancing. Just leave my... I will not leave you alone. I will not leave you alone. You won't leave me. No. Did you like keep prancing? Because that's the only thing you know how to do. Kechi. That gets you. I don't have time for your drama this afternoon. Oh yeah, you don't have time for my drama. Leave me alone. I should leave you alone. The same way I was in the Nollywood when you exhibited your madness the other day. What did I tell you? That if I catch him, I will deal with you. Thank God there's nobody around now to separate us. It is me, and you only get your filthy hands off me. What's your problem? Don't look like someone who is struggling anything with you. Yeah? Is it my fault? Okay. I will do with you. Is it my fault that you cannot service your time by that emotion? Is it my fault?
Please stop. Don't do this. You big girls. You don't need to be fighting on the road.
It's not my fault.
Stop, please. You don't need to be fighting on the road now. It's not right.
Let me tell you something. I am not the type of girl that fights over a man. No, I only confronted you last time because of the lies you told about me. Oh, yes, that's what pain you are being.
It's okay. So stop this. It's okay.
That you don't know how to service your man. You're very stupid. You are very stupid. You're very bad. What's your problem?
Stop.
You're my problem.
Then stop. Well, that's I'm going to turn out.
My brother. Break my bell.
This is how the behavior.
What?
Yeah?
Why?
Hey.
What would you do now, my boy? Right? Oh, yeah, you get here. You want to go with him now, Abby? Next time you come and tell me I took a man from you. Idiot. Let me just catch you again, stupid girl. We do that. What? Because of this not very girl. What do you think?
I don't know. The money I have with me is in that bag. All my documents, everything is in that bag.
Oh, yeah?
You guys go see it. Why should you be fighting on me?
Is that stupid girl now? Look at what she did. I'll come back for you.
Now, who will I do now?
Let's see if we can find them.
How? Do I know them?
Think. Let's just try, right? Let's go and try, right? It is my pride. He's off under reported. Saying you want me now, that is already helped me to
I have been there for I just lost some use to get then what's your function? That's what said. Now you
Can't do that now. Yeah? I can't just fighting I want to collect. I wish everybody outside and collect.
I'm not pushing anybody else. I just beg that I need to restate see it. Let's go.
No, but what you just this like analyst? How to make sense?
You are very stupid.
You're mad.
You are very, very stupid.
You are not here.
I'm not blind.
Yeah?
They just said that I acted that words used. Please let me get the from there. I'll have it.
Can you imagine?
Oh my God. That's something.
Why can't you just walk in like that?
You saw it off of my head.
For
name it. It's on the ideal.
Let's watch it.
I don't tell my
So me not standing on the line. So I don't have sense.
You are just in.
You are mannerless.
You are just in one.
Just idiot. Wait, please.
Hey.
Look at what you just.
You are frustrated. You know when you're frustrated? You are frustrated.
No, enter now.
I didn't want to
enter. Why must you do that? Why must you do that? Why must you do that? Let me see you enter. How much do you have said?
Wow.
How much do you want to collect?
That's too good. Go on.
Yeah.
Your money.
Don't mind that.
That is your rubbish. Look at that. Oh, yeah, let me hit here.
I will use it.
Use it. I will. Yeah, use it now. No problem. No sense.
Who's my card?
Look at this man. Look at this madman. Excuse me, Let me withdraw money. You know how much do you have? You have. How much do you have? You don't have. Don't worry, I'll find my card and see how much I will draw. You look at me. You will see how much I will draw. Okay, you need to have money. Withdraw, let me see. I pity the husband that will marry you. What you come out? What did you want to say? You do what? What? Because I don't know without it. I know. What I look at? I know. Father, I will be here and watch you and collect the money. Collect money, let me see it. What is fool? Nonsense. After now, one man will come and marry one trouble. I'll put it in his house. Trouble. What is all this drama for? The security just called me that you're here insisting to see me. I was the one that asked them to tell you to wait outside. Eh?
I didn't fight them. They wouldn't just allow me in. So I asked them to call you. After all, I did not fight them. Can I ask them?
It's fine. There's no need for that. I'm here now. What is it? You know you don't work here anymore.
I know, but you said you're going to send some money to my account. Up to now, I've not seen anything.
Yes. That's because we discovered that you've not settled the loan given to you by the management. So we had to use your money to settle it.
How can you use all my money to settle the management? What I have left to pay back is 15,000 naira. I'm supposed to be getting 25,000 naira as my own money. How can you use all my money to settle the management?
Oga, the money you stole from the management, we've used the rest of your money. In fact, I'm the one that even helped you out to add 5,000 naira extra to make up the money. So you are supposed to appreciate me for that.
Excuse me, is it because I didn't succumb to your terms? That's why you framed me up. Why are you doing this? What will you gain?
Don't put a business. Please just get out of this place before I ask the security to chase you out.
Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry for disturbing you.
Yeah. Morning, what is it?
Sir, I'm traveling and I don't have enough money with me. I don't know if you can assist me.
Miko. How much are you looking at?
So I don't know. I need like 10,000 naira, but I have like 4,000 naira with me here.
Yes. And that means you need 6,000.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. This 20,000, I think it will go a long way.
Of course, sir. It's enough. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you all. Sir, you will never die. You never see no sickness. Thank you. Hey, thank you, sir.
Bugini. So, you are begging. Some of you came to this city to beg, and you have the guts to talk from you.
You think I have your time? You think I have your time, Auntie Yo-Yo, Mommy Watanelegi. You think I have your time? I don't even have your time. Those are your mates, giving people money. And we're there talking.
How much have you made? Have you made up to 10,000? Don't worry, I have 100,000.
I don't need your money. I don't need your money. I don't need it.
You see your mentality. We don't have money.
Yeah.
So you have the guts to talk to me. You don't have a future. You want a future.
Take your money and go. I don't need it.
You don't have a future.
Thank you. Because you think the whole world is enough for you now because you have this thing. This machis that you're carrying about.
That is this thing. Now you have like this best. Like you're using your net to work out.
Look at this best is the best. When you do look at this best, you have frustrates.
Why you keep begging till you die?
That's the way this thing.
Come on.
Your stripe.
Come on.
See your head.
Come on, let me give you money.
Your head. After now, this are you, mommy, what back.
Wait, let me choose it. Then you don't know. Then I'm not. Please! Brother! On your body, what? The dog man, you have got it. Only water. They called it. See your car. Your tire is very low. Your tire is turning. Nonsense. Come on, Jana, for you. You guys insulted me. But insulted my feet. Okay. I'm going to hustle. I'm going to hustle in the city. I'm not going back again, I'm not going back again to that village. I'll stay in this city and puzzle and make it. Then. Hello, Mama. Oh? I'm thinking something. I'm not coming again though. Not coming again. Yeah, I'm thinking more. I have some things to sort out in the city. How is your health? I'm happy that you're better now. You're stronger now, eh? Thank God. And I thank God for Japan who has a visit to come and take care of you. You needed to work each other and they're right. I will see you very soon. Okay. Okay. I'm all for you back. Hold on. What? Hey. Hey. Come. I didn't want this to pray. What's wrong with it? You?
Yes, me. Listen, I saw you run past my house. Then I decided to follow to know what is going on.
Yeah. I saw the guy who stole my bag, so immediately he saw me, he took off.
That should be expected. Besides, have you reported it to the police?
There's no need going to the police. This guy is from this street, so I can spot him at any time. I mean, I've seen him now.
That's the whole essence of reporting to the police. You just do your part and leave the rest. When they catch him, you know, they will definitely call you. Report it to the police, go home, relax yourself, and just hope that they will be caught.
Did you say go home?
Of course, that's what you should do.
Anyway, go home is for those who have a home to go to, not for homeless person like me.
You must have gone through so much. I mean, you don't have a house.
So that was the whole story. I was innocently accused and got fired from my working place for nothing. You know, my landlord also threw my things away, took some of my properties to court.
just because I couldn't meet up with the put notice brought to me by the lawyer.
Why is it that some people do not fear God? I mean, we have just one person who created the heavens and the earth. And your so-called landlord is living rent-free on this earth. That building, he built it on somebody's land, and that person is God. So what has God charged him?
You won't blame him. He used his money to build the house.
So what? What is wrong with him? Why is he that heartless? Eh? Come on. Does he think you have the money and you refuse to pay him?
I don't know.
And that other one, the hotel manager. I mean, what was the reason she set you up? Why?
Yeah. She did that because I couldn't just succumb to her request.
What request was that?
Wanting me to sleep with her and start having an affair with her. So I refused and she set me up.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. I'm not kidding. She just had to set me up because I told her that she is not the one who employed me directly. That it was the MD who employed me.
Why didn't you report her to the MD?
Report who to the MD? How can you report somebody's girlfriend to that person?
Oh, now
he will always side her,
Yeah, you're right. But what will you do now? Because as it stands, you have no place to stay, and you just told me you don't want to go back to the village. So how are you going to survive?
I don't even know what to do now. I wanted to ask if you can help me plead with your brother. Just I believe that you stay here with your brother. Help me plead with your brother if I can stay here for some time till I raise money to get my own apartment, then I'll move.
Oh, about that. You can stay. You don't need his permission.
Why? Is he going to allow that?
Well, he is. Considering the fact that I stay here alone. Yes, I live here alone. Don't get it wrong. I only told you about my brother because I know you will refuse to come here with me if I told you I lived alone, considering how ladies have been mean and wicked to you, or towards you rather. So I had to tell you that little story so you come with me. But trust me, no hidden tricks. You can stay, at least till you find something and get your own place.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You really have a nice place here.
I get by. Let me.
But truthfully, do you stay here alone?
Worry. Everything fine. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay. Anyway.
Good day, ma. Bros, good day. Oh.
Who are you?
My name is Hope. Actually, I'm here to look for a job. Any kind of job, I can do it.
Does here look like an office where you look for a job?
I know it's not an office. I know it's a residence hall. Okay, but I at least any kind of job, if you can help me with, I will do it.
I brought that blue job. What's the
Sir, I can do anything.
no job. And I had any fellas out there. I have not also.
It's okay, sir.
You know what? Just come back here tomorrow morning. I think my dad has a job.
What was that for?
What a day. Amen.
You also.
Where you from, now, you mean?
No, I saw you entering into the car. What's going on?
It's macho. What's with the bag?
Come on, Faith. Was this bag look like a stolen bag to you?
Did I say anything like stolen or steal or... I don't understand. I only asked you, what's with the bag?
Babe, I can't come into your house with a stolen bag, man. It's not hard, man. Trust me.
You're just a typical Nigerian. I asked you what's with the bag, and you're talking about stolen, you're talking about stealing, you're talking about steal. Anyway, we'll leave that one. Hope you no plan come cack from my house,
I'll
Sha.
open stay up, please. I only came to drop this bag with you. Maybe later I'll come and pick it up.
What's in there inside?
Nothing, I just normal mail clothes, you know. Your guy don't get into business now. Nice ones, so if you check them out.
For you?
Yes, now.
You don't sell mail things like this, so...
I don't start with that, though. Gradually, I will get my own, but see, are you very patronize me?
Happy for you, Sha. And you're no longer frolicking with those area boys in the street.
Which one with that one now? Maybe calm down.
I don't have like this.
Yeah, we don't start.
Yes.
Small town expansion will enter.
Man, I'm happy for you.
We'll make you spread the good news.
No wahala, no wahala. No worry, I'll be prepared.
I bet, yeah? Later I will come back, I'll become.
I'll be back there, yeah. Alright, already I can shoot. Okay, now, later. Down. Oh. He's doing something once. He fell and I thought to give you a walkie. And we're here.
But please, you should have asked that young man to come to see me. How will he feel now if I tell him that we don't need a house help?
Daddy, she was the one who asked me to look for a house help. Someone that will be doing the cooking and cleaning the house. Now Kevin is out of town. I'm the only one in this house. You know me, I don't have power to pay now. His house is too big for me.
Well, I didn't say we don't need a house help.
But you just said that now. You said you don't need one.
Yes, we don't need a male house help.
Oh, now I get it. You prefer a female house help.
Yes. Why are you smiling?
I say the same, right? I say,
I know why you changed your mind, Dad.
Really?
You are protecting your girl.
Well, that's correct.
Listen, because of what Luca did to Sandra.
Of course. I mean, I wouldn't be happy, if my pretty daughter is all alone in the house with some stranger as a housekeeper. That wouldn't be acceptable to me. Well, you know the story of Lucas very well, That Lucas, I never liked him from the onset. In fact, I had to stomach all the things I saw so as not to offend your mom. In fact, at the point, she was even thinking that something was going on between us. But I'm happy that at the end of the day, I was vindicated.
Yes, definitely.
And what's that?
Having a peaceful way in our say is better than having the best opinions. Trust it.
I know. You are right. But at the same time, we are going to be very careful so as not to make the same mistake twice. Eh?
No felt like that, but please, hey, don't say anything that became.
Hey.
No wahala now. We go tell person say today, say God is God. No wahala.
But baby, who got this? Who got the bottle and drop that? Who got the car? Put it. I know cheap drugs. I think Kung cars. Which one of them?
Oh, they ask me.
Come on, say something serious, Joe. Every asking me. See, every. I'm not saying God be God. God is God. I tell you. See, every. Watch my face. Look my face. Another joke. Another joke. And the time if I didn't lost the time of this day, what did I want from him? Which is like, you lost your mind. Are you sick upstairs? Better. You call me here to tell me stories. Look for that one.
Evie. They ask me whether I up there, right? So if you say that, I can see. Which kind of top is that one? Evie, let me tell you. You see that part? If no be me take up, now you take up. Because no me, as you know say that part they there. If no be me take up, now you take up. Now you see that part and just shut up when I talk. Let me go find out. But I give a stand. Now what did that will mean? Don't forget to say God. You called me. Evie, you told me that the young saw. I think you ran here, went after you. So what are you telling me? You should know where the bag is. Evie, you called me here to tell me stories. I think you're mad. Now that one my business.
That one my business, I tell you. Let's see. I thought me check out, now you check out. And is it a bag? Man, tell you, it's on that.
Oh, Evie.
And I'm gonna find out why. Not forget. Not forget, tell me. Say not forget. No handler. No problem. At the time you say, God, He's God. And then not be me. Not be me. God.
No. No. Anyhow, Shara, anything's just the very thing. Alright, I'm just after me wants to come and see me about. As I'll be going back from here. I have a lot to do at home. Okay, now you talk on phone. Okay, no. Alright, bye-bye.
Sophia, please wait.
Who that playing those people?
You are the only person that saw me coming to Faith's house with a bag. If anybody there asks you if you saw me with any bag, tell the person no. Not even my friend Uche. Are you listening to me?
Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. Just do as I say. And I strongly believe I can count on you with this secret.
I bet it was Sabi. Is that all?
That's all. No fall my hand though. Hey, do you hear me?
Alright, I've heard you. Can I go now?
You can go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Hi.
How did it go?
Actually, it went well. The only one I saw is house cleaner. Yeah. The girl I spoke with said I should come back this evening or tomorrow morning.
But why the job of a house cleaner? Can't you look for another job?
I have no option for now. The only problem I'm having now is how to get my credentials.
Yeah, I understand. But that will be difficult because the those guys who stole that stuff from you may not even know it's important and they just dispose of it.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
It's okay. Just relax. Let me get something to eat, okay?
Okay.
Oh. So I'll just think something in the microwave.
Yeah, fit.
Yeah.
Who owns this bag?
Oh, free.
It belongs to a friend of mine.
That's a friend of yours?
Yes, a friend of mine. Who is it? I'm coming. What is it? Why are you turning around as if someone is after you?
Faith, there's nobody that's after me. It's that bag that I gave you to keep for me. I have come for the bag. Please, go inside and get me the bag right now. I have customers that are waiting on me now. I need to show them those notes. Please.
Baby, why are you acting like you stole the bag? Did you steal the bag?
Hey, please. I don't want you and I to banter words right now. Go in there and get me my bag. I'm not here for questions. I already told you I'm into men's ways. So why all these questions?
Okay, don't insult me. Let me go and get your bag.
Now you did talk. I'm about this man.
Shit.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in overland.
Oh, what are you doing searching someone's bag?
This is not someone's bag. This is my bag.
How do you mean?
This is my bag that I told you that was stolen. That I have my clothes and my credentials inside.
The boy that gave me these bags outside. Sincerely, I had no idea.
I heard everything you guys said out there. That guy out there was one of the guys that stole this bag.
Abe, this boy will never change. He can never change.
If that guy does not provide my credentials, I am going to have it hot with him.
Faith, you went in to get my bag. So where is my bag?
It's with the owner.
If it's a joke, just stop it. I'm not here to crank jokes with you. And I don't want to get angry with you. Go in there and get my bags.
If I just told you, it is with the owner. The original one at that. Besides, do I look like I'm joking? Am I a comedian?
Hey, where are my credentials?
Where did I get that?
It was Uche that removed it from the bag.
I need them now before I get you arrested.
Oh, please don't arrest me, please.
What? You really took Pamela's credentials at the back of a shade?
King said my idea. It was Uche. He said the credentials will not be useful to us, so he just threw them. He threw them away.
You, Abby, that is even a graduate. How
I'm sorry. It was Uche's idea, sir.
See, if I did not get those things intact, I can beat you. You better be. You will pay. What's it up?
Sir, please. She'll be right into there.
Let's go. Move it.
Busy with him, man.
Good afternoon. Sorry, please, where's the meaning about this paper? No, about
What? Your credentials! Your credentials!
Michael. How I go? Take you the here. Credentials.
I'm very angry now. Oh my God! Thank God! Get locked. You get locked. Hey, thank God my credentials are complete. Thank God. Oh yeah, scamper.
boss. Is it a try for me to New Jersey? Please calm down now. I still think you come up from here now before I treat that for you. I just stand down. I hold myself because of this thing. I'm not supposed to hold you anywhere, so what? You're not going to do it, Jared. You're not going to do it. You're not going to do it.
I've heard what you said, but I'm sorry I cannot hire you.
Sir, please, I won't disappoint you. I know how to do house chores very well. I was a supervisor in the former place I was working. Trust me.
Listen, your qualifications are too high for this job. How can I employ a graduate to do your household chores? It doesn't seem right to me.
Sir, I need this job. I need it. Instead of me to stay idle at home doing nothing, it's better for me to do this one till I get a better job to do. Please.
Dad, he really wants to work. Don't deny him this opportunity.
It's okay. But you have to bring somebody that will stand in as a guarantor for you. That is the procedure. I am home today. I won't be going to work. If you can come before 5, that will be fine, because from 6 I have an engagement.
Okay, sir, I will do that.
That's okay. Let it be like that, okay? What of your parents? What of your father?
Okay, my mother is in the village, but my father, I don't have any clue of him.
Oh. So, you grew up in a house without a father?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes. My mother said my father left us when I was 2. Until now, she doesn't know his whereabouts.
Well, it's okay. I asked because you demanded know somebody I knew. I'll see you again.
Okay, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. You made me got the job.
And you have to hurry so that you can get your guarantor. So you start immediately.
Okay, ma. I believe my cousin can stand in for me.
Please, don't call me ma. You are old enough to be my elder brother. So why are you calling me ma? My name is Peace. You can address me as Peace.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. I will take my leave now.
Okay, let me see them. Look, Kevin. You need to talk to your girl. Yes, Doris. She has to mind the way she talks to people, irrespective of their position. It's not nice. Is it because she's in a higher position? The way you treat people has a way of coming back to you, be it negative or positive. See, I would not want people to start addressing my brother's fiancé as an insolent person who do not have regard for people. I wouldn't want that. I am talking about how she treated Clifford today. Do you know Doris had the guts to raise her hands on Clifford? I was there. I witnessed it. Not as if he did anything wrong. He did not do anything wrong. Yes. Yes, you can tell her. Tell her that I reported at you. Yes. No problem. In head.
I really do want to express my gratitude towards you. I mean, you barely know me, but you got love for me.
Well, my heart accepted you, and that's it. I just feel you're a good person who deserved to be assisted. And that's what I did. Though what I'm doing for you today might not pay me back immediately. But I know that someday my goodwill will definitely pay. So I'm paying it forward with you, of course.
Thank you so much once again, and you're such a wonderful person. I mean, you stood in for me as a granddaughter.
It's nothing. I'm not okay, pretty. Listen, I just want you to focus, okay? And just remember you have bigger plans ahead.
Yeah, definitely, I do. I know that. I have talked to my boss. I told him while working as a cleaner that I'll still be looking out for a better opportunity. And he agreed to that.
Behavior. Wow, that's so kind of him. He's truly a kind person.
Yeah.
You know, when I met him, I just love his personality. He's a kind person.
You're right. Lucky me.
Yes, lucky you. And I pray to God that while you're working there, you don't have any problems with anyone. That everything will just work out smoothly and your job just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes.
Yeah, real. It's real. Thank you so much once again.
Well, I'm truly happy for you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I understand. I mean, imagine the letdown. I just imagine in front of a gate man.
Can you imagine?
It's just because she's my fiance's sister. If not it, I'll forget her. I for sure, baby. You know me now with her.
Did you call Colbert to tell him about?
I didn't have to call him. He was the one that called me. He was the one that called me and told me about everything. Yes.
What did he say when you called him?
Well, she literally... I told him how she intimidated me right in front of the gatesman. You trust me now? And we know how Kelvin can be. Kelvin was so hot. He wanted to give her hot, but Mommy just they calm her down. Make it not be like some Mommy cause problem between brother and sister. You understand? Babe, get into the car.
But babe, see, you need to apply wisdom to this, because when I say that your that girl, Sabi.
Auntie enter car in the phone. Huh? What be this? Bye, talk down.
1,000. 2,000. What was that? Who they knock? Sandra! Now, wow, Sandra! Let's not spell this your fight color. Go. Sit down. No, sit down, no. Make them say I keep pregnant woman standing. Sit down, I beg. No worries. Okay. Hi.
What you did?
Oh, thank God, though.
I'll walk.
Oh, thank God, oh, fine. Who they try? Who they try? Hey, Sandra. Hey, now God, good though. I can see that the pikin waiting for your belly is really growing very fast.
Thank God, though.
Oh, thank God, though.
Oga Kelvin in their house.
Okay, Kelvin. Hey, they in travel. He traveled a few days ago. Fine. Yes.
My case. Dad, when is he coming back?
I don't know. You know, God Kevin, I tell they behave now. He know they like tell anybody movement at all. If they just come out to jam. Okay, where they go? He don't go. He won't talk to you.
Yes, I know.
Hey, Sandra, I hope they know there.
I came to see Ibah urgent something. Yes, right.
Call her now. Why the call her?
Don't call her. No pitch.
What then? Your phone lost. Okay. Why not send message? This message if you see that one. That message go good.
Okay, I could do that one when I reach up.
Okay.
How is peace? She did inside.
Peace no now. Peace to no day. He come out. You know as they do now just because he could just wake up one morning to fight to. That's all.
Okay, my regards to her when she comes back.
Okay. Sandra. No enter keke. You know all these Hausa boys when they yeah. I'm very good. Sandra, bye yo. Bye Sandra. Hi. You know say if woman never carry belly, she no go ever agree say she dey do. Hi. So we did this house together. We no know say Lucas and Sandra they busy they act Telemundo for us. I thank God for Bele. Now Bele the only disgrace them. If woman never carry Bele, she no go ever agree for this life say she dey do.
I'm fine, no. Where you coming from? I stopped by to check on you people. I was told no one was around.
Oh yeah, that's true. I just stepped out to get something. And you know, of course, Dad will be in the office by now.
Yes,
I think
It's fine, no.
You know what? Just come. Let's go back home so I can give you something to eat. And I'll go. You can't just come and go like that. The sun is too much.
Thank you. The sun is too much. I even thought it's sun is too much. Are you ready for the game? Come on.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in no balance. Hey, we live in a world where the tail becomes the head. Life in no balance, yo. Where the good ones are oppressed, oh, and the bad ones appear to be blessed, oh. Life in no balance, yo, in no balance. But one day, now one day, this life must balance, yo. One day, now one day.
You're welcome.
We had to hear that.
Huh? But you, what the hell the city down? Sure. I pardon what he was the avocado. But being a state of he knew the government by bank and blood so you can pass playboy. Oh, he said you.
Do you have already?
And well, go. Thank you, Nollywood. Hope meets Sandra. Sandra meets Hope. Hope Sandra was our former cook and cleaner.
Oh, really? Sandra, you're welcome.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
A pleasure.
You're doing a great job.
Half. He's our work now, so what can we do?
Keep
Perfect. Okay, let me rush out to get something, Salvation.
Pushing the perfect. It was ready in the fact.
Yeah.
So tell me, how's looking?
He's fine. Thank God.
Well, you're going to eat. Though he made semo, but I know you don't like semo. But you still like your favorite food, right? No worries. So we're going to wait for him. Once he's back, he's going to make it for you. Very bored. Let me eat something to drink. What are you going to drink?
Anything at home.
Anything. I know your brand. Brand Sandra. Okay, let me take it.
He said, can't it with please? Thank you.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in no balance. Hey, we live in a world where the tail.
Are you okay? Are you expecting someone?
What was just? No, I was just surprised who could open the door like that, like an insider.
It's me. I'm an insider. He needs to air.
Oh, cool.
Okay, it's fine. Kelvin asked me to come confirm something in his room, so I hope you don't mind.
Yes, told me.
Market pie.
Doris. Please, I'm really sorry about the way I spoke to you yesterday. Please forgive me.
Peace. Come on. I wouldn't hold your resentment to my heart for that long. You're a sister-in-law to me, so it's fine. We're family.
Thank you.
Alright? No delido?
Step to the fire.
Okay.
But one day, now one day, this life must balance, yo. One day, now one day, I got Monday, one day.
I did. I don't really do that. I don't even like no I don't. The allies. I thought I do. I do. Yeah. So that's okay. I do.
How's that guy?
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Sorry, I have to send you outside. The network was very bad, so I couldn't recharge on.
It's okay, I understand. I'm not complaining.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. But as I was coming in, I saw a car parked out there. So I thought you had a visitor. But coming in here, I see nobody.
Oh, you're talking about Doris. She's my friend.
Oh, afraid?
Please, I just want to... Who told we up here? What in God's blood is this beggar doing here?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? What do you mean, what am I doing here?
Is this your house?
What? You know, I'm beginning to think that you were beginning to follow me around. Yes! Why are you following me around?
That question must be for you, because I think somebody paid you to be following me around.
Look at this brother. Look at this brother. Look at you. Will you get out of the house?
Hey, which house? Stop posing with somebody's house. Which house? Back to house. Okay, tell me you work here. Tell me who you are here.
Okay.
Because Mr. Nelson's daughter that I know cannot apprehend these daughters.
Okay, so who am I? No. Please. Do you know what this man did to me? Do you know what this animal, the first minute that he met me, do you know what he did to me? He insulted me. He really insulted me, telling me that I will never get married. This kid just said that to me.
Said that.
You want
Me?
why?
Said that to you.
Why?
You know what? One is your friend. Because I am tired of her insults. I cannot chew and swallow her insults again. She started insulting me from the first day I met her. And today, enough is enough. I'm not taking it from you.
You are a pathological liar.
You are
Liar. You are a liar from the pit of hell.
Huh? You're a big fool.
You are a liar. Demonic.
You are a bunch of liars.
Please.
Bunch. A
Please.
fool.
Please. I will not sit down and settle this. The people will ask me,
This lady, I cannot take this insult from her again.
we don't start up your mouth. Think I will get rid of
See how you're posing with another man's property, another man's house. Person's house, you're bragging with another person's
that. Is
house.
common thing. You are a common thief. Honor Shikibo. See, let me tell you something. And I am going to get rid of you. Yes, I will make sure you go back to the village where you belong.
How do you your words? I am waiting for you.
Look at this idiot.
Please, can you just calm down? Can you please calm down?
I will throw on you, on your head. You heard the sound, and I will suck it.
Man, you are an idiot. Fool.
Look at you. You can pray. Look at your eyes.
Out. Idiot. He will back up.
Look at that.
Tell me.
Look at that.
I've driven you to a point where you could not take it anymore. That's why you have to talk to her like that.
The brother is really trying, coping with her excesses.
Well, they've known themselves since secondary school days, but I'm still surprised. Doris was never like this. She was a sweet girl, so nice. I feel maybe her university classmates influenced her.
She doesn't just know what she's doing to herself. I think your brother needs to talk to her to change from her